mossy floor of velvet throne, this woodland realm we call a whispering pines and emerald streams, we dwell within your endless dreams. The moonlight dances through the leaves, a home of wonder we believe. The ancient oak with branches wide keeps all our secrets tucked inside. The brook that hums a gentle tune glows silver bright beneath the moon. Oh, whispering pines and emerald streams, we dwell within your endless dreams. The moonlight dances through the leaves, a home of wonder we believe. From fern to flower, a symphony, each creature sings